So to this, I will be adding pink. I feel like a lot of people sleep on color 35. This is what it looks like. It is not 350. This is what 35 looks like next to 350. It's got a very nice rich red tone to it, while the 350 has got more of like a copper. So these are the three colors that I will be blending today. So it's equal parts of the two. I will not pull the ends. I could, but I don't want to. If you are a beginner or you're not very confident at blending, please make sure you stretch the ends first or use pre-stretched hair. I have found a hack, guys, and instead of using oil sheen, I literally just use water. So to this, I will add pink. Okay, I will add half a packet. I don't want to overwhelm this because we still want to see the ginger with just highlights of pink. Spray water. This is how much hair was lost.